Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to this very first video on this channel. I'm gonna show you guys how to get a lot of money without spending a whole lot of time just swiping your money thing. Whatever you got, like for instance, I got bacon. I have to do this every single time, but here's a faster way for. I don't know this. I don't know who found it, but I'm not gonna take every credit for it. I'm just gonna say I found this by myself, but there might have been someone else that did this. I seen some video saying that go down the date and it'll increase your bucket size. See, right now I got 32.8K, and if I get this filled up, it's 2.73 million. And I got 961K per hour. So if I clear that, I got not too much. So if I X that out, my phone's gonna die. If I go to date and time, well, this is on Android, so if you scroll down this, well, again, Galaxy S5. So if you want to do this, click on that time up there. We'll go through the settings. It's a lot faster. You just click on the time right there. Then it goes to set date. Right now it's actually 19th, but I've been doing this a while. So go up to, pretty much I had it to the 24th, so I'm going to put it to 25th. Click OK. A full bucket. I click that. Got that much. What can I buy to you? Get out of here, motherfucker. Sorry for the quality. I actually don't have headphones on. Where am I going? I don't have that much. Here we go. I can buy that. I can buy that. And I can buy anything else. So that's how you can get fast. If you guys liked it, please hit the like button. Let's get to likes. And please subscribe if you liked it. Thank you. Peace out.